What of you, huh?
Yeah. So? What happens now?
Look. I know what you're thinking. But going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know. But I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him. You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
Before I got busted, me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bank job?
Nah. You ever heard of a Black Orlov?
Are you serious? The diamond? How the hell'd you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
Give me the case!
What the fuck are you doing?
Give me the fucking case, Leo! Hand it over, now! It's nothing personal, it's just business. Give me the briefcase.
Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by cops.
That's rough. I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. He's the one who's gonna be sorry. I'm making things right. For me. And for my family.
So do you know where Harvey is right now?
I know one of his guys, Ray. He'll know for sure.
So? What are we waiting for? Let's go after him.
You really want to take Harvey down, huh?
Like I said, with or without you, I'm going after him.
Okay.
All right. Where can we find this Ray guy?
Don't worry, he's gonna be easy to find. But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Of course.
Let's go.
Don't go too far, Alex.
Mom? Mom!
What is it, honey? What's wrong? Oh, shit. Alex? Alex?
Leo, can I ask you something personal?
Yeah, sure.
How do you and your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
We've always been together. You know, she knows me better than I know myself. I was 12 when we met at the orphanage.
Orphanage?
You could say that my parents didn't do their job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Don't be. I barely remember them. Besides, I was fortunate enough to have Linda. She was crazy. You know, we used to run away together. Steal ice cream, cigarettes, shit. It's always been us against the world. Still is. No matter what. That's just how it is.
Sounds great.
Pisimo sa kwarto ako eh.
All right, keep an eye out for my family. It's a woman and a boy, about this size.
You don't know where they live?
They had to move while I was inside.
I see.
Let's just have a look around.
I'm sure we'll find them.
Yeah.
Life looks rough out here.
You got that right.
Never
Kisok-kisok
actually
tayo,
set
wow
foot
nga.
in a place like this before.
Oh, yeah? Mr. Fancy Pants with a college degree and a banking job?
Not like any of that helped.
Huh?
I'm here with you now.
Should be happy. I'm
Magkonsitas.
great to be around.
Keep telling yourself that. Anyway, let's find your family. You look upset.
Oh, I am. I'm waiting for my goddamn husband. I'm gonna beat his ass.
Thanks.
Have you seen him?
I don't even know what he looks like.
He's easy to recognize. He looks like a big, fat, cheating asshole.
Okay, crystal clear. I'll let you know if I see him.
Ay.
Damn it!
Sige na. Ah. Okay na.
Okay, I'm good.
Sure. Nice batting.
Sok pa to.
Yeah?
Hey, what's going on in there?
Never mind what's going on. What you want?
Cletus, come on, honey.
I'm coming, sugar. Calm down.
I'm getting cold in my lady parts.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Quick question.
I got you.
Hang
go.
on.
Bye now.
That's gotta be that lady's husband.
What's up? Kind of busy.
Maybe I should tell her.
Yeah, I can see that. But I'm wondering if you've seen a 30-something woman with a kid this tall.
Yep. She's hot, right?
Of course she is. She's my wife.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
Hey, Leo. I think I see your kid
You ever
down
talked
there.
to her?
Let's check it out.
I've tried, but she's playing hard to get.
Do I have to remind you it's my wife you're talking about?
Hey, man, I'm just busting your balls. Relax. She lives down that way.
Thanks.
Come here.
Stop busting my balls and take care now.
Yeah,
Super.
yeah, sure.
Ah, na.
Hey,
Sumismo.
Leo, come here.
Tapos ang
Ah. Kutta pa dura.
Hey, Linda! Over here!
Leo! Hey!
Cops.
Afternoon, ma'am. Everything all right around here?
What do you want?
Mind if we ask you a few questions?
Yeah, I do mind. I'm kind of busy here.
Ma'am, your husband is broken out of prison.
Stop calling me ma'am, okay? I have no clue where he is.
Listen, if he tries to make contact with you, you let us know.
Yeah, sure. Goodbye.
We should be fine now.
Right.
We good?
Of course we are. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good. Hey, Alex! Look who's here!
Alex! Hey, buddy.
Don't worry, Leo. He's just a little bit upset.
He found out?
Yeah, he saw it in the papers.
Oh, shit.
It's okay, baby. Come here. So, is this the guy?
Yeah, this is, Vincent.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Hey.
Linda, I need to tell you what's going down.
Yes, but first, you need to go talk to Alex.
Of course.
Ich bin Royal. Oh, du sollst.
Hey,
Hey,
that's a really nice bike.
Work of an artist.
thanks. So, how long have you known Leo?
A while, I guess.
This was a great day.
So, this is a Habshike 57, right?
Hey,
Actually,
Leave
this
me
is
alone.
a 59.
Nice. A 59.
Du nur
It's really a beautiful bike.
Yeah, thanks.
Not focused today.
Those were happier times.
Stava morton längre och inte kunna.
Hey, I could use your help. Can you get something for me?
You needed help with something?
Yeah, I do.
Sockret
Grab
kommer
me a
längre
wrench from the
också.
shed over there, please.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Ah, sure. Boy.
Here you go, ma'am.
Come on, buddy. Come on, just let me up. Alex. Hey.
Go ahead.
What's this? Hey, look, your sign is broken.
Rim.
Why don't you come down and help me fix it? No? All right. Don't worry, I'll fix it for you. Let's see. I think I'm gonna need a hammer. Oh, this sign is beautiful. Alex, you should come down and see it. love you, buddy. I love you so much.
You wanna play some basketball?
Sure. But you know I'm better than you at basketball, right?
No, you're not.
Yes I am. You wanna shoot some hoops?
That could be fun, but maybe we should get going.
Oh, come on, just one game?
Come on, Vincent.
Okay, guys, one game.
Get ready to lose, boy.
I'm gonna win.
Ah, you know I'll win.
Are you guys ready?
Oh, we're ready. Let's go.
Okay.
Udah takut cuy, udah takut cuy. Pas.
Here.
Daddy, pass it to me.
Os.
Alex, here you go.
Ah.
Scoring like Abdul-Jabbar. Right in the net.
Yay, I scored!
You're good, Alex. Really good.
You think?
Yeah, you should become a pro.
Really?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. You're a natural talent. You're way better than us two.
I'm gonna be the
Hey,
best.
beautiful.
Hey. Well, would you look at that? You guys seem to be getting along all right.
We are. But I need to get going soon.
Yeah, I know. I'm just happy to see him smile again.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, let's talk.
So, this is home now?
Not for long. If the cops found us, then Harvey could too. We gotta get moving.
You know what? Let's just leave. Let's get out of here.
And you really think Harvey will leave us alone?
That murdering bastard. How the fuck could I trust him?
It is what it is. This is the life we chose, Leo. Let's just deal with it.
Yeah. I'm gonna set things right. I'm going after Harvey. He's not gonna get away with this. Linda, any idea where Ray is?
Ray, what do you want with that asshole?
I need to find him. I'm sure he knows where Harvey's hiding. Have you seen him lately?
Yeah, he's working at that new construction site downtown.
Okay, good. I need you to be ready to leave the country as soon as I'm back.
Don't worry about that, I'll take care of it. You just make sure to get back safe, okay?
Yeah,
No, don't just yeah me. Get back safe or I'll kick your ass.
okay, I promise. By the way, do you still have that piece?
I do. Wait. Here you go.
I love you.
I love you too.
Did you see my shots?
Yeah, you were really good. Like I said, you're a real pro.
You think?
Hvorfor den her ting helt?
Nice going, buddy. Look, I have to leave now.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. But you take care of your mom now, all right?
Can't we play one more game?
Next time, I promise. Now, come on, give me a hug. All right, buddy. Go to your mom now.
Okay.
Turning to the item shop.
Siya konita pistorita ko.
Sure this Ray guy will give us Harvey's location?
He better.
What if he doesn't?
You will. Trust me. This way.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
We're here to talk to someone. What's the problem?
What do you think this is, a coffee shop? This is a construction site. You can't just waltz in here.
Soklat.
Masuk. Singing and all, singing and all.
Oh, yeah? And you're gonna stop me?
You'll have to excuse my colleague. He hasn't had his morning coffee yet. But he's right, though. We're here to check if this site is up to code.
Jesus Christ. Another inspection? What is it with you guys? You just keep commenting and commenting and commenting.
That's how we keep you honest.
That's right.
There you go.
You better hope you're building the code, man.
Damn inspections. How many of these guys are they gonna send?
I wish I could say the same.
You
Ah,
wouldn't
yan
if I
medyo
had done the
calm
talking.
na ako.
Leo. Always cocky.
I can't help it. I've been like this since I was a kid.
Yeah, right. I bet you were just a sweet little boy.
No, I wasn't. What are you talking about?
Relax, tough guy.
Are you being sarcastic?
Me? Nah. I'm just keeping you honest.
Keeping me honest about what?
You being a nice boy. Sorry. Can I ask you a question?
Can't you see I'm busy here?
Do you know where your foreman is?
Yeah, of course I do.
So can you tell me?
Like I said, I'm busy here.
So what's your job here?
Oh, I lift heavy shit, man, until my back breaks.
Sounds easy enough.
You're telling me.
I see you have a walkie-talkie.
I'm looking for someone.
Oh, yeah? Me too. My damn doctor fixed my back.
I can't help you with that.
Well, then I can't help you either.
I'm none of your business. Could you please reach him?
Fine. Hello? 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 Oh, dang it, it's not working.
What are you up to? Get over here.
What is this? What the hell am I looking at? Dipshit, can you explain this shit?
Well, yeah, it looks like you
Just
told-
spit it out. It's 2 here. I told you it should be 4.
Well, no, no.
No. What are you, some kind of stupid?
I think you misunderstand.
You're a fucking idiot.
Oh, well, no.
Are you an
Hey,
idiot?
that's the
It's
guy.
a simple question.
No,
Yeah, I
sir,
see you.
I'm sure we decided on
Fuck it, you're fired. Go home.
But, sir.
Oh, shit.
He's trying to get away. Take the stairs.
Yeah.
I'll go this way.
Ah,
Shitty elevator. Go faster. Stop running,
tu
damn it.
Abi.
Eat shit!
Oh, shit! Out of the way!
Mga di.
Shit!
Hey, asshole!
Ang basok pa.
Get out of the way!
Whoa, shit.
Move! Get out of the way!
Sunok po. Ah. Evda.
Leo, he cut me off. He's on your side. Sorry.
I see it. You're mine, Ray.
Ang basok pa nga.
What's up?
Watch it, you fucking numbnuts!
Ng owner.
Where'd you go? I'm gonna kill him.
Hey, relax. No need to use that now, okay?
Why the hell not?
Let's focus on finding him first.
Whatever. Let's go.
Reswak po. Asa mo sa ngayon lang ito, kita ko. No.
Are you kidding me? These damn heights again?
Just keep going or we're gonna lose him.
Yeah. Ray, you're a dead man.
See him anywhere?
No.
Ah,
Let's look around. He's probably hiding somewhere.
nähdä kaksin down.
There's another container here. Let's check it out. Hey, he's over here! He locked it. Help me bust it open!
Appi. As.
Eat shit, Leo! You goddamn piece of shit! I'm gonna kill you! Hey, Vince! Vince! I got an idea. Let's use that crane over there.
Yeah, okay. Move the crane over to me. Lower it, all the way down.
Jos sitä vaan rokko.
Hurry up, he's gonna slip away. Get it moving.
Jup.
Se mun on ollut tuolla.
On. How?
You see him?
No, I don't see him anywhere. I don't know where he went.
Well, keep looking. He's gotta be up there somewhere.
Oh.
Hey, he's headed for the crane. Cut him off.
Okay. Come on, Lee. Just keep moving. You're not afraid of heights.
Hey! You fucking numbnuts.
I got him! Where do you think you're going? Get over here!
Ai.
Vincent, hurry! I'm on my way. Asshole! Vincent, I need help! Just hang on. Vincent! Ray, stop this! I'm coming, Leo! Vincent, hurry! I'm on my way.
죄송하다. 아.
He's getting away! Get him! Whoa!
야. Takot na yan at.
Hey.
Let me go! We need to hold him down! Come on! Where do you think you're going? Get your hands off me! So, you gonna tell me where Harvey is?
Fuck you, I ain't telling you shit.
Fuck me, huh? Okay. Oh, look at this.
Whoa!
A gun. I wonder what you could do with this.
Maybe you could stick it up your ass.
You know what? Let's put it here for now. Hey, Vincent. I don't know about you, but I see a lot of different things here that could make this guy talk. What do you say?
Guys, come on.
I've got a few ideas.
Yeah, me too. Let's see if he'll talk or not.
Sọc sắt ôm mình game mà.
Bet
I bet
this will
there's
make him
something
crack.
valuable in here. This is your wallet, right?
Yeah?
Oh, look, what do we got here? Your car keys.
Yeah, so?
Try driving it now, huh?
I still ain't talking, jackass. I got a spare at home anyway.
Ah, shit!
Pinggirta.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Ow!
Nice.
Stop it! You're gonna break my arm!
You better start talking then.
My arm, man!
Next time, I will break it.
I'm gonna burn your face off if you don't start talking.
Fuck you.
Fuck me, huh? How about the dick?
That's a
Whoa,
jingle.
no, not the dick! Hot! Oh, please! Please, my dick!
Now we're talking.
Get a real shock.
A lamp? You gonna put the light in my eye? Is that your bright idea?
This is gonna hurt, smartass. Start talking.
Please stop!
You gonna talk or what?
I ain't said shit!
Yeah? How about this?
Oh!
Huh?
Oh!
You like this?
Maggusto kising opo.
Alright, guys. Alright, you win. I'll tell you what you want.
Yeah? Start talking then.
Alright. Calm down, man. Calm down. Somewhere in Mexico. I don't know where exactly, but he's in Mexico. He's got a big mansion there. It's the truth. I swear.
So that's where the rat is hiding, huh?
Yeah, that's where he is. Don't tell him I told you.
You don't tell me what to do.
All right. Calm down, man.
See you later.
Hey,
Let's go.
guys!
Yeah.
Where you going? Don't leave me here. You're crazy. Untie me. Guys, come back.
Guess we're heading down to Mexico then.
Yeah. We're gonna need bigger guns than this.
That's probably a good idea. What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Wait. Step aside. There you go.
Yeah.
I got a contact that might fly us down to Mexico.
That's good. And I got an idea on how to get those guns. But we're gonna need cash.
We can't risk robbing a bank now.
There are way easier places to rob than banks.
Like what? A gas station? You think they'll have enough money?
They better have. I'm not going after Harvey with just a handgun.
Yeah, well, guess there's only one way to find out.
Okay then. You ready?
Yeah. Why don't you give me the gun?
What do you mean?
Look, we need to keep a low profile. That's not really your thing.
I say we do this the fast way, man. Just in and out.
I say we do this the easy way. Let's not make a scene.
Okay, sumakajingat.
Sure. Whatever, man.
Excuse me.
What do you want?
Someone woke up on the wrong side this morning.
This country is on the wrong side. Just look at these gas prices.
Hey, you okay?
Sure. Why you asking?
I'm sure there are more important things to do.
Basta kucing awal.
Can I help you with something?
Ooh.
Hey, ma'am. I don't want to use this gun. So please open and register for me.
You're wasting your time. There's barely any money in there.
Let me be the judge of that. Open it, please.
Here, look.
There's a safe in the back, isn't there?
No, there isn't.
Right. Hands up, ma'am. Everybody stay calm. We don't want to hurt anybody. Leo, there's a safe in the back. Check it out.
If I hear one more word from you, I swear to God I'm gonna shoot you. Sit down and shut up.
All right, no need to panic, okay?
I got him. Let me go.
Let him go!
Leo, get over here.
You okay?
Yeah.
Tiếng gong nữa.
You can come in here?
We need the combination.
I'll show you. This is what I'm gonna
Then
Give me the fucking gun!
Ra.
Give me the combination. Give me the fucking combination!
I don't have it.
Bỏ đá.
Don't make me do something I'm gonna regret. Give me the combination.
Fine. 137.
137. Thank you.
oh,
I got the cash. Let's get to the car.
para que salga bien.
Off.
Nobody move! Put your hands above your heads, get down on your knees. Don't move a muscle. I need backup.
What's that?
Think you can come in
Watch
here?
the clerk. She might make a move.
Give me the fucking
We need
gun!
the combination.
I'm just gonna go. You know what? I'm getting out of here. I'm just getting.
He's getting away! Stop him!
I got the cash.
Relax.
Let's get
Stop
to the car.
Hey.
Zo popsen dat. Dus ja.
Zo.
Cops! Go, go, go! Step on it! Yeah, no problem. Just make sure to bring the goods, okay? Yeah, I know where that is. Got it. All right, see you there.
So,
We got the guns.
you trust this person?
I do. Stop worrying, Vincent. It's not good for your heart.
My heart is just fine. I just want to know what we're dealing with.
Relax, Mr. Paranoid. I trust her, okay? Besides, she owes me one. Now let's go get those guns.
If you say so.
You need to relax more, all right?
Yeah.
Jasmine,
Leo,
you good?
I'm good. Who's this guy?
Don't worry, he's with me.
Oh, he's with you.
Yeah.
I'm Vincent.
Oh, hello, Vincent. How nice to meet you. You're a fucking idiot.
What?
Why don't you bring your whole family next time? I'm out.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What the fuck is wrong with you? You think I'm vending ice cream here? Listen, I told you, I don't do business with strangers. And this guy, he looks like a stranger to me.
Do you have a problem with me?
Yeah, I got a problem with you. You have a problem with me?
Chocolate. Ah, ready.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Whoa, 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 relax. Put the gun down. Jasmine, put the gun down. Come on. I told you, he's with me. Let's just do this, fast and easy. Besides, you owe me one, remember?
Okay, but it's the last time. And then we're even.
Here. This should be more than enough.
Hurry up.
Sọc
À,
tức. Sọc. Ok.
ừ.